Ever wondered how massive Russia truly is? Now, let's set our minds to explore the sheer magnitude of this enigmatic giant, Russia. As the largest country in the world, it's a vast expanse of land that simply boggles the mind. The country stretches from Eastern Europe all the way to the Arctic Ocean, encompassing a diverse range of landscapes, cultures, and climates. Just imagine, Russia is so colossal that it spans 11 time zones. Yes, you heard it right. 11 time zones. That's more than any other country on the planet. You could be having breakfast in the bustling city of Moscow, while people in Kamchatka, Russia's easternmost region, are already fast asleep. It's like living in a different world, yet under the same flag. But the staggering enormity of Russia doesn't end there. Picture this. It shares its borders with 14 different countries. From Norway in the northwest, all the way to North Korea in the far east, the country's borders stretch over some of the most diverse and contentious regions on Earth. It's a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and histories, all converging at the heart of this massive nation. Now here's a fun fact. If you decided to drive nonstop around the entire perimeter of Russia, it would take you over 6 months to complete the journey. That's longer than most people's annual leave. Russia, in its size and diversity, is a testament to the boundless wonders of our planet. It's a country that challenges our perceptions of scale and distance, dwarfing other nations with its vastness. It's not just a country, it's a continent in itself, a world within a world. But hold your horses. This is just the beginning of our journey into the heart of Russia. But size isn't the only thing that makes Russia so fascinating. There's so much more to this enigmatic giant that will leave you utterly speechless. So buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride into the world of the unexpected. Did you know that Russia owns the longest railway line in the world? That's right, the Trans-Siberian Railway. Stretching an astonishing 9,288 kilometers, it's an iron thread that weaves its way from Moscow all the way to Vladivostok on the far eastern coast of Russia. This engineering marvel was built between 1891 and 1914 under the supervision of Tsars Alexander III and Nicholas II. It was a monumental task that not only connected the vast expanses of the Russian Empire, but also played a significant role in the country's development. The Trans-Siberian Railway isn't just about transportation. It's a living, breathing entity brimming with stories and adventures. It has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, survived wars, and has been a constant in Russia's ever-changing landscape. The Trans-Siberian Railway is not just a railway, it's a journey into Russia's soul. Ever heard of a nation that adores literature like no other? Well, that's Russia for you. This vast country doesn't just love literature, it lives and breathes it. Russia is home to the most libraries in the world, a testament to its deep-seated connection to the written word. But it's not just about the quantity of libraries, it's about the quality of the literature that fills their shelves. The country has been the birthplace of countless literary masterpieces, penned by some of the most renowned authors in history. Names like Leo Tolstoy, Fyodor Dostoevsky, and Anton Chekhov are synonymous with Russian literature. Their works have transcended time, maintaining their relevance and influence to this day. From the intricate societal observations of Tolstoy's War and Peace to the profound philosophical questions posed by Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment, Russia's literature is as diverse and complex as the country itself. In Russia, literature isn't just a pastime, it's a way of life. Can you imagine a lake containing more water than all the North American Great Lakes combined? Welcome to Lake Baikal, the deepest and oldest freshwater lake on planet Earth. Nestled in the heart of Siberia, this natural wonder holds about 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater. But Lake Baikal isn't just about size. It's an ancient cradle of biodiversity, boasting around 1,700 species of plants and animals, 2/3 of which can't be found anywhere else in the world. From the unique Baikal seal to the myriad of microscopic organisms, Lake Baikal is a living testament to the evolutionary marvel. This lake is also a time capsule. At an estimated 25 million years old, it's been around longer than many of the species it houses. Its waters whisper tales of epochs gone by, each ripple carrying a story from a time we can only dream about. Lake Baikal is a natural wonder that underscores Russia's rich biodiversity. Think your winters are harsh? Well, let's take a moment to talk about the biting cold in Russia's Siberia, specifically in Oymyakon. It's not just a place with a fascinating name, it's one of the coldest inhabited spots on our planet. Can you imagine temperatures plummeting to negative 58 degrees Fahrenheit? That's around negative 50 degrees Celsius for our metric friends. In Oymyakon, the mercury doesn't just dip, it dives. Schools only close when temperatures hit negative 52 degrees Celsius. For perspective, that's colder than the average temperature on Mars. The residents of Oymyakon are a hardy lot indeed. They live life in the deep freeze, where even the simplest tasks like hanging laundry to dry become a unique challenge. But the people of Oymyakon don't just survive, they thrive. They've turned their frosty frontier into a home, demonstrating an awe-inspiring resilience against nature's icy onslaught. So remember, in Russia, winter isn't just a season, it's a test of endurance. Can you guess which country is the world's top oil producer? Yes, you've got it. It's Russia, a veritable treasure trove of natural resources. This vast nation is not just about freezing temperatures and enormous landmass. It's also an economic powerhouse fueled by its immense wealth in natural resources. Let's talk oil. Russia is a titan in the oil industry, sitting atop the world's largest reserves, but it doesn't stop there. The country also boasts an astounding abundance of natural gas, making it a key player in the global energy sector. And let's not forget about the wealth beneath the Siberian landscapes where massive deposits of diamonds, gold, and other precious metals lie hidden. These natural resources are not just shiny trinkets or fuel for the furnace. They are vital economic lifelines, shaping Russia's political and economic landscape, and playing a significant role in the global economy. Russia's natural resources are indeed a game-changer in the global economy. Did you know the first man and woman in space were both Russian? This legacy of cosmic exploration is a testament to Russia's scientific prowess and innovation. Let's delve into this fascinating journey. Russia's space exploration story begins with the launch of Sputnik, the world's first artificial satellite, in 1957. This marked the commencement of the space age, a time of rapid advancements in technology and knowledge about our universe. But the real breakthrough came in 1961 when a young Russian named Yuri Gagarin became the first man to orbit the Earth. This 27-year-old Air Force pilot's voyage lasted a mere 108 minutes, but it forever altered the course of human history. Gagarin's mission was a triumph for the Soviet Union, but it was only the beginning. Just 2 years later, in 1963, another milestone was achieved when Valentina Tereshkova, a former textile worker turned cosmonaut, became the first woman to journey into space. Her mission, which lasted almost 3 days, proved that space travel was not just a man's domain. Over the years, Russia continued to make significant contributions to space exploration. They launched the first interplanetary missions to Venus and Mars, and the first space station, Mir, which remained in orbit for an impressive 15 years. And let's not forget the Soyuz spacecraft, the longest-serving manned spacecraft in history. Since its first flight in 1967, Soyuz has become a symbol of international cooperation, ferrying astronauts from various nations to the International Space Station. These achievements are not just about firsts or breaking records. They represent the indomitable spirit of exploration, the relentless pursuit of knowledge, and the courage to venture into the unknown. Russia's space legacy is a testament to their scientific prowess. Their role in pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and their contributions to our understanding of the universe have left an indelible mark on the annals of history. And who knows? Maybe the first human to set foot on Mars will also be Russian. Still reeling from the surprises Russia has to offer? As we wrap up our journey, let's revisit the most shocking facts we've uncovered about this enigmatic giant. From its staggering size, stretching across 11 time zones, to the awe-inspiring Trans-Siberian Railway, the longest railway line in the world. Let's not forget the country's deep-rooted love for literature, a passion that has given birth to countless world-renowned authors. And then there's Lake Baikal, the most voluminous freshwater lake in the world, nestled in the heart of Siberia. We've also delved into the harsh reality of Siberian winters, a bone-chilling experience that's nothing short of extraordinary, not to mention the country's abundant natural resources, from oil and gas to precious metals. And finally, we've explored Russia's legacy in space exploration, a field where they've made significant strides and continue to push boundaries. From its vast landscapes to its scientific achievements, Russia never ceases to amaze.